I'm Christelle Guibert, the CEO of the RWSC. It's now our second year coming to this region and bringing a team of judges. We started the collaboration in 2019 and actually coming to Conegliano Valdobbiadene was actually our first global judging that we launched at the RWSC. We think it's a great opportunity to have all our judges to immerse themselves in the region, to meet the producers, learn more about the wine, about the culture, about the people. And it's much more beneficial than doing it in a tasting room in London. So we select all the judges which we think are appropriate for the market. So we have a selection of sommeliers, retailers, importers and journalists. And they're really here to assess the wines, but also to learn more about the region and hopefully come back in London to be a great ambassador of the region. So we're really excited about this initiative and you know, it gave us more opportunity to receive also a wide range of wine, more opportunity to then promote them globally to consumers and to the trade as well. So yeah, we love coming here. We really immerse ourselves in the region and yeah, the judges really enjoy as well being around here. So yeah, so we're very, very happy with this partnership.